Our weather team coverage continues now. Sheena Lusciuto is in Providence.
She joins us live with more on how crews are ready for the challenge tonight. Sheena?
Yeah, sorry about earlier. You know, in conditions like this, the equipment doesn't always work out how you planned it. But taking a look at the roads, look at this video we just captured. Really a convoy of plows moving through the highway here. We saw them salting the roads on 195 as people really prepare for a major snow event. So all these crews are standing by right now. We're also staying at a hotel with Rhode Island Energy crews too. In Providence, the machinery is all set up by the ice rink as they work to hopefully get ahead of Mother Nature. Others are out just to enjoy her.
Just enjoying the snowfall, you know, like we just wanted to walk as it first started.
Yeah, exactly.
It's always pretty. It's always magical.
It was a good environment before it gets really bad.
Not too many people out and about yet, only those plows and snow removal crews. We'll send it back to you guys.